Here I have Nokia G21, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here to access its settings, and here you have watermark. And that's how you can set it, so you can enable information about your device, like Nokia G21. Yeah, you can also add this line preview. You can add your own personal message to watermark. You can add your personalized image to watermark. So yeah, you have different features, but this video is about how you just enable this watermark. So yeah, you can just enable it like this, and here you can adjust what you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.